Vegetables and fruits. Vegetables offer different nutrients and a different distribution of proteins and carbohydrate than fruits. Since non-starchy vegetables are lower in natural sugar than fruits, it's important to include vegetables in your nutrient-rich but lower-calorie diet. In fact, the non-starchy vegetables are the lowest-calorie foods of any food in my plate. Eat 2.5 cups of raw, cooked, canned, or frozen vegetables every day, making sure they fill at least half your plate. We count 1 cup of most raw or uncooked vegetables cup for cup. 1 cup of 100% vegetable juice also counts as a cup of vegetables. For leafy salad greens, however, we count double the amount as 1 cup. 2 cups of leafy greens compress easily to 1 cup of veggies. Based on their nutritional content, vegetables are organized into 5 subgroups: dark green, starchy, red and orange, beans and peas, and other. What are some of your favorites? Let's take a look at examples of food from the 5 vegetable subgroups. What's special about each of them? Dark green vegetables are especially rich in vitamins A, K, folacin, the natural form of the B vitamin folic acid, potassium, and other nutrients. They also contain special plant chemicals, phytochemicals, important for eye health. Starchy vegetables include corn, peas, lima beans, and all types of potatoes, have more calories per cup than the other vegetables, but they still offer important nutrients. Some deep orange and red vegetables like tomatoes and carrots are rich in vitamin A, in particular carotene, as well as potassium and other important plant chemicals. The dried beans and peas, or legumes group, is high in protein, folacin, magnesium, and fiber. They are hearty enough to serve as main dishes. You can add them to a salad, puree for a filling soup, or serve as a side dish. And keep in mind that there are other vegetables that don't fit into these subgroups. Given all these choices, filling half your plate with fruits and vegetables should be a snap. The nutritional content of the entire vegetable group is stellar. You always want to have them on your plate. Unfortunately, most Americans are only eating 30 to 50% of their recommended daily vegetables. My Plate recommends half of your plate be filled with vegetables and fruits, but Americans are eating only 30 to 50% of the recommended daily fruit as well. The average adult on a 2,000 calorie per day diet should consume 2 cups of fruit per day. As you choose which fruits to eat, ask yourself, what color of fruits did you eat yesterday? This can help you increase your variety. This group includes all types of fresh, frozen, dried, or canned fruit and 100% fruit juice. Choose fresh, whole fruit when available. For frozen fruits, choose unsweetened versions. For canned fruits, look for the ones canned in 100% fruit juice, as those canned in syrup add too much sugar and calories. Choose dried fruit that doesn't contain added sugar. With dried fruit, eat half as much as raw, because the low moisture content causes the dried fruit to take up less space in a cup. Note that juice can be a healthy choice as long as you limit it. Fruit juice is high in calories. For children, limit juice to 4 to 6 ounces daily. Adults should choose fruit over juice as often as possible. Count 1 cup of 100% juice as a cup of fruit, but don't substitute juice for fruit more than once a day, because it lacks the fiber contribution of the whole fruit and will not provide the same satiety or feeling of fullness. You can measure fruit portion sizes in your hands. 1 cupped hand is roughly 1/2 a cup, and 2 hands cupped together are roughly 1 cup.